How to reload your Starbucks card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to add money to your Starbucks card, here is how to reload it in the Starbucks app step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the scan icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the scan section, you can just tap on scan or pay, which can be seen at the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, it will show you a Starbucks card. So here, you can simply tap on the reload option, and here you can simply select your card. And now here, once you have added the card, you can simply select the reload amount, and after that you can enter a custom value. And with that you can choose your payment method or add a new one if needed. And after that you can just tap on reload to confirm, and with this your new balance will appear instantly on the card. And that's it. That's how you can reload your Starbucks card using the app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.